Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we're going to learn about linear equation and inequality in one variable. And these are math word problems. Before we answer all the questions in this slide, do you still remember the concept of linear equation or inequality in one variable? Yeah, absolutely. Linear equation in one variable is an open sentence with one variable connected with an equal sign and has a degree of 1. So, what about linear inequality in one variable? In inequality, an open sentence with one variable is connected with these signs and has a degree of 1. Sign number 1, less than or smaller than. Sign number 2, we can say less than or smaller than or equal to, because there is an equal sign at the bottom. And for sign number 3, we can say bigger than, more than, or greater than. And sign number 4, we can say bigger than or equal to, more than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Now let's see for question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 567. The first number is 123 more than the second number. Find the two numbers. Okay, let's say the second number is x. The first number is supposed to be x plus 123. Why? According to the given information that the first number is 123 more than the second number. The sum of it equals to 567. So it means the first number plus the second number equals to 567. And here we have x plus 123 plus x equals to 567. Then we can make it simpler, equals to 2x plus 123 equals to 567. How you're gonna find the value of x? It's so easy. We can cancel positive 123 by adding negative 123 on both sides. As you can see here, positive 123 minus 123 equals to 0. So it means the remaining is 2x equals to 444. Then how we're gonna cancel 2x becomes x? We can divide both sides with 2. So here we have, so x equals 222, which is the second number. So the first number is 222 plus 123 equals to 345. So the first number is 345 and the second number is 222. Now let's move on to the problem number 2. A positive number, if multiplied by 3, then the result is subtracted by 18 and the number becomes 30. What is the number? Let's say the positive number is x, and according to the statement, 3x minus 18 is 30. Then we can make it simpler by canceling negative 18 with positive 18 on both sides. And here we have 3x equals to 48 and x equals to 16. So the positive number is 16. What do you think, guys? Is that easy for all of you? Okay, let's move on to question number 3. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 36. Determine the biggest number. The difference between two even numbers is 2. And this is also happen for the difference between two odd numbers, also 2. Remember that things. Now, let's say the first number is x, and the second number is supposed to be x plus 2. And for the third number is x plus 2, x plus 2 again. So here we have x plus 4. Their sum is 36. It means x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 36. Then we can make it simpler like this. 3x plus 6 equals to 36. Then we can cancel positive 6 by adding negative 6 on both sides. And then here we have 3x equals to 30 and x equals to 10. So the first number is 10, the second number is 12, and the third number is 40. According to that, the biggest number is 14. I hope all of you understand. Now let's move on for question number 4. The difference between two integers is 15. If their sum is 11, find the product of the two numbers. On this question, you have to be careful. Why? Because the question asks you to find out the two numbers between two integers. And remember, do not trap using two variables, because our topic today is linear equation in one variable. So you're going to use only one variable. That's why before we answer this question, let's see the illustration on the next slide. Here we have. This is the illustration for problem number 4. There are two numbers, 9 and 7. The difference between those two numbers is 2. Construct its math equations. The first number is 9. The second number is 7. Let's say it's x. The difference is 2. So the math equation is 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 9 is the first number, 7 is the second number, and 2 is the difference. Okay, what about if we change the math equation into 9 equals to 7 plus 2? Is that correct? Yep, that's correct. And here we have 9 is the first number, 7 is the second number, and 8 is the difference. According to that, we can change it into the first number is x plus 2. X is the second number and 2 is the difference. So now we're going to apply this math equation to the problem number 4. Let's see question number 4 in the next slide, on the next slide. Now we're going to move to the question number 4. According to the previous slide, we know that we're going to use only one variable. So, in this question, the difference between two integers is 15. Let's say the second integer is x. The difference is 15. So the first number is supposed to be x plus 15. Their sum is 11. It means the first number plus the second number is 11. Then here we have x plus 15 plus x equals to 11. Then make it simpler, becomes 2x plus 15 equals to 11. Then we can add negative 15 on both sides to cancel positive 15. So the remaining is 2x equals to negative 4. Then here we have x equals to negative 2 as the second integers. So the first integers is 20, negative 2 plus 15 equals to 13. So because they ask you to find the product, it means the first number times the second number. So equals 13 times negative 2 equals to negative 26. So this is the product of the two numbers. I hope all of you can understand. Was it so easy for you? Now let's move on to problem number 5. The difference between the two numbers is 6. If 5 times the smallest number minus 1 over 3 times the biggest number is 58, what is the sum of the two numbers? Let's say, the difference is 6. Let's say the second number is x as the smallest number. So the first number is x plus 6 as the biggest number. And this math equation, we can get it based on the previous slide that we have learned. Now, according to the statement that 5 times the smallest number, it means 5x, minus 1/3 times the biggest number, it means 1/3 times x plus 6 equals to 58. Then we can change the mixed number into a proper fraction, improper fraction. So here we have 4 over 3. And then we can do the distributive law to the things inside the parentheses. And then here we have 5x minus 4 over 3x minus 8. How do we get negative 8? We can multiply negative 4 over 3 with 6. 6 divided by 3 equals to 2, and 2 times 4 equals to 8. Then we can change 5x into 50 over 3x. Then the remaining is 11 over 3x minus 8 equals to 58. And then we cancel negative 8 by adding positive 8 on both sides. And finally, we have 11 over 3x equals to 66. Now, we're going to cancel 11 over 3x equals to 66 become x. How are you going to do that? We can multiply both sides with the reverse, which is reverse, with the upside down. 3 over 11. Now let's continue to the problem number 6. A rectangle has the length of 4x minus 5 centimeters and weight 2x plus 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the rectangle is not greater than 56 centimeters. Determine the maximum area of the rectangle. Let's start from the given information. The length is 4x minus 5. The width is 2x plus 3. Then the perimeter is less than or equals to 56. Why? Because According to the question, there is a word of not greater than. So it means less than or equal to. Now, do you still remember the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Yep, absolutely correct. We have 2 times length plus 2 times width less than or equal to 56. And then we can change length and width as you can see here. 2 times 4x minus 5 plus 2 times 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 56. And now let's try open the brackets by multiply 2 with the things inside the parentheses. As you can see here, we have 8x minus 10. And 2 times 2x equals to 4x. And 2 times 3 equals to 6, less than or equal to 56. And we can make it simpler like this: 12x negative 4 less than or equal to 56. Then we can add positive 4 on both sides to cancel 4. Then the remaining is 12x less than or equal to 60. And x less than or equal to 5. Hence, the maximum value of x is 5. So, the length is 4 times 5 minus 5 equals to 15 centimeters. The width is 2 times 5 plus 3 equals to 13 centimeters. They ask you to find the maximum area. So, length times width equals to 15 times 13. So the maximum area is not 195 centimeters square. Now let us see problem number 7. The price of a highlighter pen is 3 times the price of a book. The price of 2 highlighter pens and 3 identical books is 18,000 rupees. What is the price of 3 highlighter pens and 5 books? Let's start from the price of a book is X. The price of a highlighter pen is 3 times the price of a book. So we can write it as 3x. And according to the information, the price of 2 pens plus 3 books equals to 18,000. So here we have 2 times 3x plus 3 times x equals to 18,000. Then here we have 6x plus 3x. 9x equals to 18,000 and x equals to 2,000. This is the price of a book. Then the price of a pen is supposed to be 3 times 2,000 equals to 6,000. Then here we have the price of 3 highlighter pens, it means 3 times 6,000, and 5 book, it means 5 times 2,000. So equals 28,000 rupees. So this is the price of 3 highlighter pens and 5 books. Now let us see question number 8. This is the last question. Kashi's money is 6 times as much as Rani's money. The total money of them is not bigger than 245,000 rupees. Determine the maximum amount of Kashi's money. Let's start from the Rani's money is X. Then the Kashi's money is supposed to be 6x. Their sum is less than or equal to 245,000 rupees. Okay, now Kashi's money plus Rani's money is 6x plus x less than or equal to 245,000 and 7x less than or equal to 245,000, and we can divide both sides by 7. Here we have x less than or equal to 35,000. It means the maximum of Rani's money is 35,000. So the maximum amount of Kashi's money is 6 times 35,000 equals to 210,000 rupees. Okay, I hope all of you can understand. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.